Hi everyone. Hi Raj Lakshmi. How are you? I am all good. Hi Manas. Hi Shakir. Hi everyone. How are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Just a second. Hi Noor. Hi Pallavi. Hi everyone. How are you guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all? बढ़िया है सब. बस कल ही एग्जाम खत्म हुए, चिलिंग हो रही है. ग्रेट. अब तो मौज आ रही होगी मनास. ठीक ठाक. एग्जाम्स है 14th को. ओके, सो गेट रेडी. So hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. And I welcome everyone, all of you, to our channel Vedantu Commerce. तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे. और हाँ, अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल पे नए हो, if you are new to our channel, then please take a minute to subscribe our channel. So do hit that red icon now for more such upcoming live sessions. Also, I hope that you all have liked this video. If you have still not liked this video, then please do hit the like button, do hit the thumbs up icon, and do share it with your friends. Hi Abhinav. रिजल्ट्स बिल्कुल अच्छा आएगा. अगर आपने तैयारी अच्छे से करी थी तो रिजल्ट्स भी अच्छे आएंगे. So, for upcoming sessions, for upcoming notes, you can also join us on our Telegram group, Vedantu Commerce, and the link for Telegram group is also given in the description box below. So do check out the description box if you want to have all the updates about our channel on Telegram. Hi Kanan. Hi Vaishnavi. I am all good guys. I hope you guys are also doing well. So, as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udaan batch. And we are going to continue this important chapter, financial statement. Now, this is a very, very, very important session because till now, we have completed the financial statements only. We have completed trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. But from this session, we are going to start adjustments without which your syllabus is incomplete. So आज की क्लास में हम काफी सारी adjustments समझने वाले हैं. Trust me, those adjustments are way too important. But before beginning with this session, we will first discuss the homework. I hope you all remember that this question was given as homework in the previous class. So raise your hands. How many of you have solved this question? किस किसने होमवर्क किया है? हाथ उठाओ. Okay, you are saying 63 total of balance sheet, maybe. Avina, well done. You have done it. Shakir, well done. What about others? बाकियों का क्या कहना है? Okay, so now I will be solving this question quickly for your reference, and then we will be coming to the today's topic. So first we have to make trading account, guys. पहले हमें trading account बनाना पड़ता है. In trading account, we will first record opening stock on the debit side. Then we will record purchases 4,000 minus purchase return 50. So 4,000 minus 50, you will record 3,950 on the debit side. You will record net purchases in the trading account. Then you will record wages in the trading account. On the debit side, You will record carriage inwards in trading account on the debit side. Then you will record sales on the credit side. And last but not the least, we will record closing stock on the credit side. So these are the items that we have to record in the trading account: opening stock, closing stock, net purchases, net sales, and direct expenses like wages and carriage inwards. So here you can see the trading account: opening stock, net purchases, wages, carriage inward, net sales, and the closing stock. After recording each and every item, you will do the total of credit side 10,100 and you will do the total of debit side. And the balancing figure is your net profit, it's your gross profit, sorry. So yes, the gross profit is 4,100. The gross profit is 4,100. Now this gross profit will be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss account. You will transfer this gross profit to P&L account and then you will record all the indirect expenses in the P&L account. So in P&L account, we will record all indirect expenses. You will record salary, general expenses, rent, carriage outward, advertising. These 5 items will be recorded in the profit and loss account. ये पांचों चीजें कहाँ जाएंगी? P&L अकाउंट में. सैलरी, जनरल एक्सपेंसेस, रेंट, एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड कैरेज आउटवर्ड. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have recorded these 5 expenses in the P&L account. Then from the gross profit 4,100, you will subtract all these indirect expenses. From 4,100, we will subtract all these expenses and the net profit, the balancing figure is 2,400. So this is your net profit. And yes, you will write by and to also. On debit side, use to. On credit side, use by. So net profit is 2,400. That will be added in the capital. In the capital, we will add net profit 2,400. And after P&L account, we will make balance sheet. After P&L, we will make balance sheet. First, we will record capital. In capital, you will add net profit 2,400 and you will subtract drawings 400. So 3,600 plus 2,400 minus 400, you will first find out the closing capital. Then we will record machinery asset on the debit side. We will record closing stock asset on the debit side. We will record debtors on the debit side, assets on the debit side, cash on the debit side, and creditors on the credit side. So we will record these 6 items in the balance sheet: capital, machinery, closing stock, debtors, cash, and creditors. Let me show you. Machinery 700, closing stock 2,000, debtors 3,000, cash 400. These are 4 items. Then creditors, 5th item 500 and 6th item is capital. In capital, we have added net profit 2,400 and we are subtracting drawings 400. So 3,600 plus 2,400 minus 400, your capital is 5,600. So 5,600 plus 500, total of the balance sheet is 6,100, which is same for both the sides, asset as well as liability. So this proves that we have solved it correctly. So this was your homework which I have given you. And many of you have already solved it. So I am proud of you. And here we have the names of our super brilliant students. So congratulations, Rajiv, Ranjani. Well done. You have answered it correct. So congratulations to you. Your answers are absolutely correct. Gross profit 4100, net profit 2400, and the total is 6100. Well done, Mohammed Tausif. Congratulations to you also. You have also answered it correct, Tausif. Great job. But Akash, you have answered it wrong. Your total is not correct. It will be 6100, not 6300. So we got 2 out of 3 correct answers. Now moving on to today's topic. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम important adjustments करने वाले हैं. And trust me, these adjustments are very very important because there are 80 to 90% chances of these adjustments. जो भी adjustments हम आज करेंगे, इसमें से minimum 2 या 3 adjustments आपके पेपर में आएंगी ही आएंगी. I can give this in written. तो कौन सी एडजस्टमेंट्स करने वाले हैं? वी विल डू टोटल 6 एडजस्टमेंट्स इन टुडेस सेशन. टोटल 6 एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे जिसमें से 2 या 3 आएगी ही आएगी. Let's start with the first adjustment now. Let's begin the session now without any delay. And the first adjustment that we have already covered. You remember I gave you a question to prepare the P&L account as homework. मैंने आपको लास्ट टू लास्ट क्लास में होमवर्क दिया था जिसमें एडजस्टमेंट भी थी. एंड आई सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. इन दैट क्वेश्चन वी हैड डेप्रीसिएशन, वी हैड आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट, अनपेड रेंट, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई एक्सप्लेन्ड इट टू यू. So the same adjustment we are going to discuss today, outstanding expenses. So let's see what is the meaning of outstanding expenses and how is it adjusted. So outstanding expense का मतलब होता है expense of current year which is still not paid. It belongs to current year. It is the expense of current year. It is the expense of, current year, which is still not paid. Now, if it is still not paid, इसका मतलब है it will be payable in future. If it is still not paid, इसका मतलब है आप इसको कल परसों बाद में पे करोगे. It is payable in future. And anything which is payable in future is your liability. कुछ भी चीज जो फ्यूचर में पेबल होती है, anything that is payable in future is your liability. So outstanding expenses is a liability. Hence, you will record it in the balance sheet on the liability side. This is the first effect. तो पहले आप क्या करोगे, उसको बैलेंस शीट में शो करोगे ऑन दी लाइबिलिटी साइड. एंड as it belongs to current year, it is the expense of current year. क्योंकि ये current year का खर्चा है, you will add it in the respective expense. जो भी ये खर्चा है उसमें आप इसको ऐड कर दोगे. If it is outstanding rent, you will add in the rent. If it is outstanding wages, you will add in the wages. If it is outstanding salary, you will add in the salary. So first effect, show in the balance sheet on the liability side. Second effect, add in respective expenses. So these are the two effects of outstanding expenses. Please have a look at it and tell me, is it clear to everyone? समझ आया कि क्या ट्रीटमेंट होती है outstanding expenses की? Yes or no? ये चैप्टर कब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा निखिल? अभी 2-3 क्लासेस और लगने वाली हैं क्योंकि एडजस्टमेंट्स काफी ज्यादा है इस चैप्टर में. क्लियर कानन, क्लियर नूर, ग्रेट. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? बाकी बच्चों को समझ आया या नहीं? Come on, tell me quickly guys, आया या नहीं आया? And if it is clear to everyone, then please like this video guys. इतनी मेहनत के लिए एक लाइक करना तो बनता है ना. So please hit the like button, hit the thumbs up icon. I can still see that most of you have not liked the video. Thank you, Noor. Thank you so much. Now coming on to the second adjustment. Second adjustment that we have is prepaid expense. Prepaid expense का मतलब क्या होता है? The meaning of prepaid expenses means expenses of next year are paid in advance. आपने कल का खर्चा, अगले साल का खर्चा अभी एडवांस में पे कर दिया. So this is the meaning of prepaid expense. They are paid in advance. Now, what will be the treatment of prepaid expense? As it is related to next year, as it does not belong to, as it does not belongs to current year, you will subtract it from the respective expense. आप इसको रिस्पेक्टिव एक्सपेंस में से हटा दोगे, माइनस कर दोगे, क्योंकि ये आपकी फैमिली का पार्ट नहीं है, ये आपके इस साल का पार्ट नहीं है, तो इसको निकाल के फेंक दोगे. सो वी विल रिमूव इट फ्रॉम द रिस्पेक्टिव एक्सपेंस. एंड देन एज इट इज पेड इन एडवांस, आपने अभी से एडवांस में खर्चा पे कर दिया, आपको बेनिफिट कब मिलेगा? यू विल गेट द बेनिफिट लेटर ऑन. फायदा तो बाद में मिलेगा. सो बेनिफिट्स आर रिसीवेबल इन फ्यूचर. बेनिफिट्स आर रिसीवेबल इन फ्यूचर. And anything receivable in future is your asset. अगर कुछ भी आपको फ्यूचर में मिलेगा तो वो आपका एसेट है. So it will be recorded on the asset side of balance sheet. तो ये बैलेंस शीट में एसेट साइड आएगा और आप इसको रिस्पेक्टिव कंसर्न एक्सपेंस में से माइनस कर दोगे as it is not a part of current year. So these are the two effects of prepaid expenses and I have explained you the reason behind them. So let me show you now. And here you can see deducted from the concerned expenses and recorded on the asset side of balance sheet. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Makhan clear, Manas? Great. Clear, Noor? Clear, Krupa? Clear, Kanan? Great, guys. Shabash. तो चलिए चलते हैं हमारी अगली एडजस्टमेंट की तरफ. Coming on to our next adjustment, that is accrued income. Income earned but not received. And what do we mean by accrued income? Let's see the meaning first. चलिए पहले meaning देखते हैं. Income of current year which is earned. आपने वो income कमा ली है. You have worked hard for it. You have earned it, but it is not received yet. अभी तक वो इनकम आपको मिली नहीं है. It is earned but not received. So इसका मतलब है अभी नहीं मिली तो कब मिलेगी? फ्यूचर में मिलेगी. So it is receivable in future. It is receivable in future. ये आपने इनकम जो आज कमाई है ये कब मिलेगी? फ्यूचर में मिलेगी. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है हमारे साथ, हमारी फैमिली में, कि हमें करंट ईयर की जो सैलरी होती है, करंट मंथ की जो सैलरी होती है, वो नेक्स्ट मंथ में 7 तारीख को मिलती है. मेरे पापा के साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि इस मंथ की सैलरी आपको मिलेगी नेक्स्ट मंथ की 7th को. सो दैट इज इनकम अर्न्ड बट नॉट रिसीव्ड. आपने इस महीने की सैलरी कमा तो ली लेकिन वो आपको मिली नहीं है. कब मिलेगी? फ्यूचर में. सो इट इज रिसीवेबल इन फ्यूचर एंड it is a part of current year. So as it is a part of current year, you will add it in the concerned income in the respective income. क्योंकि ये current year का part है, आप इसको add कर दोगे. और it is receivable in future and anything receivable in future is your asset. So record it on the asset side of balance sheet. तो एक जाएगा बैलेंस शीट में एसेट साइड क्योंकि एसेट है, और एक आएगा आपके P&L ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में, वहां पे ऐड हो जाएगा. अगर एक्रूड सैलरी है तो सैलरी में ऐड कर देना, एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट है तो इंटरेस्ट में ऐड कर देना. यू विल ऐड इट. So these are the two effects of accrued income, which is also known as outstanding income. Income earned but not received. So there are alternative names of this accrued income. Outstanding income, income earned but not received. So here you can see the two effect. Add in the concerned income and record on the asset side of balance sheet. Is it clear to everyone? समझ आया? Clear Krupa? Clear Manas? Clear Noor? Okay. Now coming on to next adjustment, that is income received in advance. The next we have is income received in advance or unearned income. What do we mean by this? इसका क्या मतलब है? तो it means income of next year which is not earned. अभी आपने वो कमाई नहीं है. It is not earned but it is received in advance. तो इसका मतलब क्या है मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल से समझाती हूँ. I am working but I have not earned the salary of this month. This month is March, लेकिन मैंने भी मार्च की सैलरी अर्न नहीं करी है because there are still 20 days left and I have not done anything for it. तो मैं अपने एम्प्लॉयर को बोल रही हूँ, I am saying to my employer that see, my family member is admitted in hospital, so I need money urgently. तो I am receiving the salary in advance which is not yet earned, जो मैंने अभी तक कमाई नहीं है. तो first of all, it is not related to current year. ये आपके current year से related नहीं है. It is the income of next year. So you will subtract it फ्रॉम दी कंसर्न्ड इनकम, आप इसको कंसर्न्ड इनकम में से माइनस कर दोगे क्योंकि ये नेक्स्ट ईयर का पार्ट है, तो इस साल में से इसको निकाल देंगे. यू विल रिमूव इट फ्रॉम द कंसर्न्ड इनकम. एंड एज यू हैव रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस, आपको वो इनकम एडवांस में मिल गई है, तो अब आपकी लाइबिलिटी है, आपको उसके लिए काम करना ही करना है. यू आर लाइबल टू प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज टू दैट पर्सन. अगर आपने किसी से पहले पैसे ले लिए और आपको बाद में उसे वापस करने हैं पैसे या उसके लिए काम करना है, तो आपके सर पे बोझ आ जाएगा. इट इज योर लाइबिलिटी. So we'll record it in the balance sheet on the liability side. So these are the two effects of unearned income or income received in advance. First, record on the liability side of the balance sheet. Second, subtract it from the concerned income as it is not related to this current year. So let me show you the effects now, and here we have it. Subtract from concerned income and record on the liability side of balance sheet. With this, we have completed 4 of the most important adjustment. So what we have covered: outstanding income, accrued income, prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income and income received in advance. तो हमने ये 4 टॉपिक अभी तक कर लिए हैं. कृपया बेड डेट का एडजस्टमेंट हम आने वाली क्लासेस में करेंगे, आज नहीं होगा वो. So I hope these 4 adjustments are clear to everyone. Now coming on to the 5th adjustment that we have also covered. ये वाली एडजस्टमेंट भी हमने क्वेश्चन में कर ली थी, दैट इज डेप्रीसिएशन. तो डेप्रीसिएशन का मतलब क्या होता है? इट मीन्स डिक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट. जब आपके फिक्स्ड एसेट्स की वैल्यू कम होती है तो उसी को हम लोग डेप्रीसिएशन बोलते हैं. सो द वैल्यू इज डिक्रीजिंग, hence it is subtracted from the assets. Assets में से minus होता है depreciation. From balance sheet, you will subtract it from the asset. Then, as it is an expense for you, you will record it on the debit side of profit and loss account. So depreciation is recorded in the P&L account on the debit side and it is subtracted from the respective asset. If it is depreciation on machinery, subtract from machinery. If it is depreciation on furniture, subtract from furniture. Add in P&L? No, we are not adding in the P&L, Manas. We are just recording on the debit side. We are not adding it. So these are the 2 effects of depreciation. Record on the debit side of P&L and deduct it, subtract it from the respective asset in the balance sheet. Is it clear to everyone? Clear, Krupa? Clear, Kanan? Yes, Noor? Yes, Manas? Okay. Now coming on to the last adjustment. I hope you already know that. The last and the 6th adjustment is closing stock. Tell me what will be the 2 effects of closing stock. We have already done the first one. Come on, I am waiting, guys. Yes, the first effect is it is recorded in the trading account on the credit side. On the credit side, you will record closing stock in the trading account. And stock is your asset. Stock is your asset, so record on the asset side of the balance sheet. So these are the two effects of the closing stock. Record in trading account credit side, record in balance sheet asset side. So trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. Is it clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Now we will be solving a question of the same. We will solve a question where we will be making trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, and we will be having adjustments also. But before that, if you guys have any doubts, if you want to revise your entire syllabus of accountancy with me, then for that you can join our accountancy crash course. So we are launching this crash course for your revision, which is available for both 11th and 12th students. Now you must be thinking why we should join this crash course, what we will be getting in this crash course. So this crash course covers revision classes which will be live. So we will be conducting live interactive session for every chapter. Also, all these classes will be recorded, so you will be getting recordings for each and every session. And you will be also getting summary notes after every class. After every class, you will be getting notes so that you can revise the topics using these notes. Not only this, you can also download our mobile app and you can ask your you can ask your doubts through mobile app also. So you can download our mobile app and you just need to click a picture of your doubts and upload it there, which makes it so easy to ask your doubts. So all these benefits are available in our crash courses, and if you want to enroll for it, then you have to just visit our description box. So this is the description box, and here you can see this hand emoji. So this is the link for the crash course, special accountancy crash course for class 11. So click on the link. After clicking on the link, you will come to our website. जैसे आप वेबसाइट पे आओगे, scroll down, and when you scroll down, you will be asked to choose your plan. So from here, you can choose your plan, that whether you want to take Pro Light or you want to take Pro Classic. Now, talking about the difference between these two courses, what makes a difference? So, in Pro Light, you can only ask doubt during class. But if you want to ask doubts on the mobile app, then this is not available in Pro Lite. It is only available in Pro Classic. So if you want to ask doubts on the mobile app, through the mobile app, then go for Pro Classic, which is just available for 1800 rupees. And you can also get flat 10% discount by using my code. So you can use my code SCPRO for flat 10% discount. And this is so beneficial for class 12 students as we have still 1.5 months left for your exams. So class 12 students, you have still so much time left for your revision, and this is going to help you in that time. Now it's time to come to our question. So get ready now because this is going to be a very good question. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के साथ. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, पीएनएल अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट. तो पहले हम बनाएंगे ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. Additional information is also given. These are the adjustments. So make trading profit and loss and balance sheet from this question. So let me make the formats first. This is trading account. Then this is P&L account. So in trading account, we will record opening stock 6,000. We will record purchases 8,000. We will record what? We will record sales on the credit side and I can't see any other item. मुझे और कोई आइटम नहीं दिखाई दे रहा जो हमारा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड होगा. So we will record only these 3 items in the trading account. Let's record it. First, opening stock. Your opening stock is 6,000. Then you will record purchases. Purchases were how much? 8,000. Then we will record sales. Sales were 16,000. Wages are not given in the okay, wages are also there, sorry. Wages are also there, so we will record wages also 1,000. So these are all the items which will be recorded in the trading account. Now we will record items in P&L account. अब क्या करेंगे? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट देखते हैं. इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट वी विल मेक कानन. इट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप P&L अकाउंट इसके नीचे ही बनाओ, और मेरे पास उतनी स्पेस नहीं है तो मैं वो नहीं कर सकती थी. एंड इट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप उसके नीचे ही बनाओ. सो in the P&L account, we will record rent, we will record commission, general expenses, salary. We will record these 4 items in the P&L account. So let's record it now. This is your P&L account. I am recording rent 450. I am recording commission, which is 250. Then we will record general expenses, which is 800. And then I am recording salary, which is how much? 500. So we have recorded these 4 expenses in the P&L account. Then we also have interest received. Interest received is indirect income. It will be recorded in the P&L account on the credit side. You will record it on the credit side by interest received 300 rupees. Now, after recording these information, you will make the balance sheet. तो अब हम क्या बनाएंगे? The most important thing, balance sheet. So this is your liability side and this is your asset side. So now record the information in the balance sheet. What we will record? We will record machinery, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, bill receivable. These all are your assets. They will be recorded on the asset side. Then we will record capital and creditors on the liability side. So these items will be recorded in the balance sheet. So let's record it. Machinery, it was 4,000. Cash at bank, 1,000. Cash in hand, 500. Sundry debtors, 4,400. And then bill receivable, 2,900. These all are your assets. Then on the liability side, we will record capital and we will record creditors. Capital is 9,000. I am writing it inside because I have to add net profit and I have to subtract drawings. Then creditors are 4,500. Creditors are 4,500. Now I have recorded each and every item of the trial balance. जो भी आपको यहाँ पर given था, we have recorded each and every item. सारे items record कर लिए. Now it's time to read the adjustments. अब हम adjustments पढ़ेंगे and we will record them one by one. The first adjustment we have is outstanding salary. Outstanding expenses, they are liability. So record on the liability side of the balance sheet and it belongs to current year. So you will add it in the salary. So add it in the salary. Outstanding salary, 500 plus 50 rupees. 500 plus 450 rupees. Answer will be 950. So I am removing this 500 and I am directly writing 950. You have to show it, guys. Right now I am not having enough space, so I am not able to show that. 500 plus 450, it is 950. And you will record it on the liability side. Outstanding salary, 450. This is the first adjustment. ये हमारी पहली adjustment थी. Coming on to the next adjustment, depreciation. Depreciation is recorded in P&L account debit side and it is subtracted from asset. So it is 10% on machinery. You will calculate 10% of machinery. So 10% of 4,000 will be 400. Depreciation is 400. So record it in the P&L account debit side to depreciation 400 and subtracted from the asset. Asset में से minus कर देंगे, minus depreciation. So 4,000 minus 400. Now it will be 3,600. So this was the adjustment for depreciation. Coming to the third adjustment, outstanding wages, 50 rupees. It is same as first adjustment, outstanding expense. So outstanding expense is a liability. Record on the liability side and it belongs to current year. So add in the wages. So outstanding wages will be added to the wages. We are adding it. 1,000 plus 50, it will be 1,050. So these are your wages now. and it is a liability. So record on the liability side outstanding wages 50 rupees. Then the next adjustment we have is prepaid rent. अगली adjustment क्या है? Prepaid rent 100 rupees. This is prepaid expense. What is the adjustment for prepaid expense? It belongs to next year. It belongs to next year. So we will subtract it from the respective expense from the rent. And prepaid expenses are assets. So record on the asset side. Subtract from rent and record on the asset side. So from rent, I will subtract prepaid rent. So 450 minus 100. 450 minus 100, it will be 350. And we will record it on the asset side, prepaid rent, 100 rupees. So this was about prepaid rent. We have recorded in the balance sheet asset side and we have subtracted from the rent. Then coming on to the last adjustment but not the least, closing stock 8,000. Closing stock is recorded in the trading account credit side and in the balance sheet assets side. So record in the trading account by closing stock 8,000 and record on the asset side closing stock 8,000. With this, we have recorded each and every item. So now it's time to find out gross profit and net profit. So first we are finding the gross profit. Total of credit side of trading account is 24,000. Total of debit side is 15,050. So gross profit will be, let me calculate it, 24,000 minus 15,050, it is 8950. This is the gross profit. Now, gross profit will be transferred to the P&L account. Gross profit will be transferred to P&L account 8950. Now again, you will do the total of credit side, you will do the total of debit side. The total of credit side is 9,250 and the total of debit side is 2,750. So again, the credit side 9,250 rupees is more than the debit side 2,750 rupees. So the balancing figure is 6,500 and this is your net profit. So gross profit is 8,950 rupees. Net profit is 6,500 and let me show you the answers. You can see gross profit 8,950, net profit 6,500. Now this net profit will be added in the capital. So let me add it in the capital. 6,500 and now your capital is 15,500. And we will do the total of both the sides. So let me show you the balance sheet. Here we have your balance sheet. So the total of balance sheet is 20,500, 20,500, which is equal, and this proves that our answer is absolutely correct. So this was your solution. Let me show you again. This is your trading account. This is your P&L account. And this is your balance sheet. Shravya, you have to learn the effect of adjustment. Then only you will come to know how to whether they have to be added or to be subtracted. आपको एडजस्टमेंट्स के इफेक्ट याद करने पड़ेंगे एंड मैंने उनके पीछे का रीजंस भी बताया है. I have told you the reason why they have to be added and why they have to be subtracted. So if the concept is clear to you, then you need not learn or you need not identify that whether they will be added or subtracted. The concept will make it clear to you. ठीक आया कानन? Well done. Understood? Manas? मजा आ गया नूर? Great, thank you. So with this, we have completed our sixth adjustment, guys. We completed outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, income received in advance, depreciation, and closing stock. And we have solved a question also. So now I request you everyone to solve this question again. अगर आपने अभी खुद से किया, this is well and good. But if you have not tried it yourself, then please try it again and revise all these adjustments after the session. And in next class, we will be learning some other important adjustments. You're welcome, Shravya. Well done, Krupa. Great. Great, Noor. आपने अपने आप solve किया. Well done. Now, let me introduce you some of the best accountancy teachers. So, here we have some other teachers for accountancy, guys. So, here we have Neerav sir, who will be teaching you accountancy next year, maybe. So, he has more than 8 years of teaching experience. And he had taught more than 8,000 students. Also, he got thousands of students successfully cleared CA Foundation exam. And then we have another awesome class teacher, subject teacher for accountancy, Sriraj sir. And Sriraj sir has more than 11 years of teaching experience. He had taught more than 10,000 students. Not only this, he also held teacher training sessions for reputed institutions. So this is all about Sriraj sir, who might be teaching you accountancy next year on YouTube as well. And with this, that's all for today. आज का session यही समाप्त होता है. And in the next class, we will be doing adjustments part 2 that will be on Monday at 9 p.m. So stay tuned for the next session on Monday at 9 p.m. Till then, if you are having any problems with your syllabus, like you are very tense regarding syllabus, you are not able to solve the practical questions or anything else, then for that, you can join our accountancy crash course for your revision that is now available at only 1,350 rupees. And for extra 10% discount, you can use my code SCPRO. So do use my code to enroll this course at flat 10% discount. And if you guys are new to our channel or if you are watching me for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. So jaldi se jao, channel ko subscribe karo aur aisi classes ke liye. And I hope that you all have liked the video. If you have still not liked the video, then please do like it, do hit the thumbs up icon and do share it. You're welcome, Kanan. You're welcome, Raj Lakshmi. You're welcome, everyone. Now, I will see you all in the next class. And if you have not joined us on Telegram yet, then do join us on Telegram for all the updates about our channel. So, अब आपसे मिलेंगे अगली क्लास में on Monday at 9 p.m. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself, guys. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you to you too for attending our classes and for giving us your precious time. Now, bye-bye, good night, and have sweet dreams. Bye, everyone. Bye, Krupa. Bye, Manas. Bye, Shravya. Bye.